Hello there and good afternoon. Well, the Met Office have a snow and ice warning in place. Very difficult driving conditions out and about on the roads, particularly away from the main roads, but that warning remains in place through today, right the way through to tomorrow as well, and then temperatures slowly start to rise. As for the rest of today, remaining bitterly cold and any snow showers to continue to push offshore, subtle with shift in wind direction overnight, the wind becoming more northwesterly and it pushes those showers into the North Sea. But this is how we start off tomorrow morning. Temperatures dropping back easily to around -4 degrees Celsius. So a bitterly cold start to Tuesday. Now, it will take all day for those temperatures to come up above freezing. Dry through most of daylight hours during Tuesday, but maximum temperatures at best getting up to around 3 degrees Celsius, although this is slightly less cold than today. Now, from Tuesday into Wednesday, all eyes to the southwest. We have a weather front very slowly but surely pushing in, but this will be a mixture of some sleet and some rain, something a little less cold inside that air mass very briefly as we head through Wednesday. Then by the end of the week, potential for very windy spell of weather, something we're keeping an eye on, something you certainly need to stay up to date with in the forecast. Hello there and good afternoon. Well, a snow and ice warning in place for the rest of today and through the early hours of tomorrow morning. However, that focus certainly becomes about ice risks. So we have had some snow overnight and that will continue to stay on the roads, settling icy conditions and certainly any slippery surfaces. If you haven't had snow, any dampness around at all, it certainly will be quite tricky out and about on the roads. Now, as we head through the rest of this evening, staying quite cold, all of those snow showers though out to the northeast, pushing away overnight. So dry for all of us overnight and the opportunity under clear skies for yet again widely temperatures plummeting below freezing. Now as low as -4 to around -6 degrees Celsius. So a bitterly cold start first thing on Tuesday morning with some mist and fog around as well. Now overall through daylight hours during Tuesday there will be a lot of dry weather around, some brightness around, but it'll take all day for temperatures to come up above freezing, maximum temperatures of 3 degrees Celsius. But you may notice there is a subtle shift in wind direction. These wind hours are coming in from the southwest, so there is something a little less cold being introduced as we head through Tuesday, which means through Tuesday night there's going to be a mix of sleet and rain. It could be quite messy, but a dry day to come thereafter.